Most things that you would call enterprise search suck. It's in stark comparison to when you search like public sources like the internet. Typically, if you go search something in Google, you're almost always going to find what you're looking for. And there's a reason for this, which is that really good search engines for public data have a lot of information, a lot of signals about what people are looking for. And so they know because people who type in these kind of words will typically get this kind of response, they'll be happy with it. And so they have all these signals to basically figure out like what people want from their search requests. Now, if you compare that to something like an enterprise system, there's not a lot of signals that an enterprise system has because your data is typically very limited. Let's say a company might have 100 million files. You might only have access to a small portion of that. AI gives you so many new capabilities. It's kind of exciting. Like agentic search is one of the most useful things. It can not only like call a search system to look through the results, it can itself like look through the links, almost like a person clicking on each link to read about what these results were. But you can ask it questions about the stuff inside of the files, which many people call context retrieval. That idea of context retrieval is really critical and is something that has been enabled relatively recently as the agents kind of got smart enough to be able to do this kind of task. Instead of you searching for things and getting some links to look through, you basically ask your assistant to go find the information. And for something like enterprise search, this starts to solve the problem of not having enough signals. And it's a major new technique. And honestly, it might be one of the most critical ways that search has evolved in enterprises, on enterprise systems, especially on unstructured data, so that people can actually find what they're looking for.